Baik, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Agus Hidayatullah. I'm from Sampang. Firstly, in the village of Espira, Sukabana, sub-district Sampang district, and my hobby is fishing. And my dreams is to become a big and great businessman. And I have studies or attended school at ME Darul Ulum 7. And continue to MS to MTS Darul Ulum 7, and after graduating I boarded at the Darul Ulum Banyuanyar Pamekasan Islamic Boarding School, and after completed my boarding I survived from the boarding school in one of the village, namely the village of Bujur Timur, Batu Marmar, Pamekasan. So only after completed my studies did I continue studying at one of the best private village, namely at Wiraraja Universitas, who is in Sumeneb district. And now I'm in my semester, and I don't feel like I'm about to fishing college. Maybe that's more or less. Sorry if there are any mistake in my word. Apologize. Mungkin hanya itu, kurang lebihnya mohon maaf. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.